Hey guys, how's it going? How to connect Perplexity AI with other productivity tools. You can go ahead to the official website and you can use the API integration. Click your profile icon at the top right, click the API at the top, and then if the Perplexity offers API, you can use it to integrate with productivity tools like Slack, Google Calendar, Trello, or Asana. You need to set up a payment in order for this to work out, and you're gonna be able to program knowledge to set up API requests that allows these tools to interact. Okay, and you can use automation platforms. Use automation services like Zapier or Integromat to create workflows that link Perplexity AI with productivity tools. With that being said, you need to use the API, right? You can write a custom scripts in your homepage. You can write custom scripts like Python that integrates Perplexity AI with your tools, right? You can use APIs from both Perplexity AI and your productivity tools to automate data exchange. Again, click your profile icon at the top right, API, set up a payment, and you need to basically, you can set up the payment, and after you set up the payment, you're gonna be able to connect with different platforms, right? And webhooks. If Perplexity AI supports webhooks, you can configure webhooks to send data to and from other tools, right? And browse extension or plugins. Some productivity tools offer browser extension that you can use to integrate with AI platform directly within your browser environment. Again, set up the API key and set up the API or set up the payment first, and then you're gonna be able to integrate with other platforms. If Perplexity AI doesn't provide direct integrations, third-party platforms like Zapier or Make might offer pre-built integrations with popular productivity tools. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.